Cinch. Pulled tight or made secure. Whittling. Cutting small pieces from wood with a knife. Sluicing. Washing or sending water quickly through something. Squeegeeing. Cleaning water from a surface using a rubber tool. Tether. To tie something so it cannot move far. Grapple. To struggle or fight closely with someone. Unfurl. To open or spread out something that was folded. Tousle. To make hair messy or untidy. Spooling. Winding thread, wire, or film onto a reel. Flickering. Shining unsteadily or flashing on and off. Coiling. Winding into circles or loops. Trudge. To walk slowly with heavy tired steps. Billowing. Moving in big waves, like cloth or smoke in the wind. Jolting. A sudden shake or bump. Blotting. Soaking up liquid with paper or cloth. Swirling. Moving around in a circular motion. Lugging. Carrying something heavy with effort. Wagging. Moving something from side to side quickly. Fluttering. Moving quickly and lightly like wings. Glide. To move smoothly and quietly. Clamber. To climb with difficulty using hands and feet. Scurry. To move quickly with small, fast steps. Plunge. To jump or fall suddenly into something. Hoist. To lift something heavy up. Slither. To move smoothly like a snake. Skim. To move lightly over a surface. Twitch. To make a small, quick movement. Fumble. To handle something clumsily or drop it. Plod. To walk slowly with heavy steps. Wrench. To pull or twist something suddenly and hard. Scuttle. To run quickly with short steps. Tug. To pull something with a quick, strong movement. Pry. To force something open with effort. Jerk. To pull or move suddenly and roughly. Clutch. To hold something tightly. Rummage. To search through things in a messy way. Shove. To push something roughly. Snatch. To take something quickly and suddenly. Nudge. To push gently with elbow or hand. Lurch. To move suddenly in an unsteady way. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.